Tired of paying crazy high cable bills just to watch your local news or catch Sunday football? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an over-the-air antenna, specifically this flat paper-thin style you see here on your Roku TV, plus how to troubleshoot and fix common signal issues so you get the most completely free local channels right now. Let's dive in. Alright guys, first things first. Grab the coax cable running from your antenna, which, as you can see from this one in my hand, is a nice, long cable perfect for reaching your window. We're going to take the threaded end and screw it directly into the back of your Roku TV. Look for the coaxial port. It usually says antenna or cable in right next to it. Just thread it on there nice and tight. Once that's secure, grab your Roku remote and let's jump over to the TV screen. Now, go to the home page of your Roku TV. What we're looking for is a tile that says Live TV. If you don't see it on your home screen right away, don't worry. Just go to the left-hand side menu, scroll down to Settings, over to TV Inputs, and then find the Live TV option. We're going to set up this input right now, so go ahead and click OK. Next, your Roku is going to ask you to choose your TV source. We're going to select Antenna. Once you click OK, the TV will start scanning for all the available over-the-air channels in your zip code. Note that this will take a few minutes as it searches for the best reception, so just hang tight. And we're done. As you can see, it found 40 local channels for me completely free over my antenna signal. At this point, you can click on Watch TV or view the channel guide. The Roku guide is awesome because it integrates your free antenna channels with Roku's free streaming channels all in one place. Now what if your picture is pixelated or you aren't picking up as many networks as you expected? Let's troubleshoot and fix those signal issues. First, placement is everything. Try moving your antenna sheet higher up on the wall or closer to a window, preferably facing the direction of your local broadcast towers. If you live a bit further from the city, you might want to look into adding a booster, like this amplified unit right here from our kit. It plugs into power and goes between your antenna sheet and the TV to strengthen those weaker signals. Just ensure all your connections are solid. Before we wrap up, here is the most important rule. Anytime you adjust or move your antenna to fix your signal, you must rescan for channels to lock in the new position. To do this, just go back to Settings, then TV Inputs, then Live TV, and select Scan again for channels. I hope this video helped you set up your Roku TV, fix those annoying signal drops, and save some money on cable.